Hey friends, if you're facing preparing automatic repair error on your PC and laptop, so in this video I will show you how to fix this issue completely. So how can you fix this error? Let's get started. Follow the all troubleshooting method carefully. So after preparing, you will see this interface. Automatic repair, your PC did not start correctly. So what you need to do? Here you can see the two options are showing, restart and advanced option. First of all, I suggest you just click on restart option and check your problem is solved or not. If not solved, then follow the second method. Click on advanced option. Now select the troubleshoot option, and here you can see the advanced option. Just click on advanced option, and now here more options are showing, but you can select the command prompt option and type these all commands are carefully. First of all, type this command sfc space / scan now and hit the enter button on your keyboard. So it will take 5 minutes, so be patient and wait. After completing verification process, just type this command carefully, bootrec space / fix mbr and press enter button on your keyboard. Now again type this new command, boot sect space / nt60 space sys and hit the enter button on your keyboard. Now type this command, bootrec space / fixbot and hit the enter button on your keyboard. Type this next command, bootrec space / rebuild bcd and hit the enter button on your keyboard. And now here is the final command. Type this command, chkdsk space / f space / r space c and colon and hit the enter button on your keyboard. And just wait few minutes. After finishing this process, just type this command, exit and hit the enter button on your keyboard. So now again select the troubleshoot option and now click on advanced option, and now here you can select the startup option. If your case startup option not work like this error showing, so follow the third method. Again select the troubleshoot option and here you can see the reset this PC option. Just click on it and now you will see these two options. So first option, keep my files, and second option, remove everything. Just select keep my files. When you select keep my file option, your data are safe, not delete anything. Just delete your apps or softwares. Just select keep my files option, and after you select keep my files, and here you can see the cloud download and local reinstall. Select the local reinstall option. So it will take 20 to 30 minutes, so be patient and wait. After rebooting your system, check your problem is solved. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please do subscribe and like this video. So yeah guys.